Welcome everyone and thank you so much for joining in. As you can see guys, the price of Bitcoin looks like testing one of the most important support which we have right now. I mean the lower trend line from this symmetrical triangle, support from this CryptoAnup buy-sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator, and even the support from this right angle descending broadening wedge, because we know if the price fails to break out of certain line of resistance, then we should monitor this bearish scenario which is playing out right now parallelly. So today in this video we are going to talk about all of this one by one. So before I do that, I want you guys to destroy that like button, and to those individuals watching this for the first time, to hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this free 200 USD position airdrop from Bybit, then please check the video description, because Bybit right now is providing free 200 futures position airdrop, either Bitcoin USDT position, Ethereum USDT position, or Solana USDT position. So guys, please try grabbing this opportunity, because in market like this, you know, every penny counts. Now, looking at this in a daily time frame, the price of Bitcoin is still fighting to remain above this lower trend line from the symmetrical triangle, because in the past price action, finding support at this lower trend line from the symmetrical triangle resulted in a bullish move. I mean, price of Bitcoin got attracted around the upper trend line, and since we are also hovering above this lower trend line, will this scenario play out again? Price coming back to test the resistance around 70,000 before looking for an actual trend direction. I mean, are we going to see this really fairly? Because parallelly, right, the price of Bitcoin is also holding the support from this CryptoAnup buy-sell indicator, Williams alligator indicator. But I have been very clear with you guys, even though price of Bitcoin looks like holding or finding support at this Williams alligator indicator, CryptoAnup buy-sell indicator, but the indicators are turning bearish. I mean, RSI, if you look at it carefully, is below 50. If we look at this MACD is clearly bearish. If we look at the T3CCI indicator, even this T3CCI is in a negative territory, indicating weakness. So that's why guys, we have to be a little bit careful. Even though the price looks like finding support at some of the key trend line, but we want not just only the support to hold, but also the resistance to break, because in a daily time frame, in an hourly time frame, this right angle descending broadening wedge, a bullish continuation pattern is lining up. But we have said, even if this here is going to be looked as an actual continuation pattern like this, the price must break out of this key line of resistance, which is still holding us around 66,500. Yes, you heard that correctly guys. Since the price of Bitcoin is below this monthly CPI line, it is definitely a sign of weakness, because during uptrend we have said the price always finds support above this top central order bottom CPI line. Since we are below it, we want at any cost the price to break out from this bottom CPI line, which is around 66,500. Once we do that, once the price finds proper support above this trend line, then we know this right angle descending broadening wedge might be playing out. Price might be finding support at this Williams alligator indicator, CryptoAnup buy-sell indicator, and even this bullish movement could be on the line. I mean, price of Bitcoin after flipping this bottom CPI line around 66,500 could be heading towards the central CPI line 68,000, and even up to top CPI line, which is around 69,600, because we know if the price fails to do that, if the price fails to break out of this bottom CPI line, then this will be looked as a bearish continuation pattern. And for this month of April, according to our leading indicator, failing to find support above this CPI line could result in a continuation towards this red line, our first target for this month of April, which is around 62,000. That's why guys, if we want the price of Bitcoin to invalidate this bearish scenario which is lining up right now, we have to find proper support above 66,500. Now, even according to this ascending broadening wedge, we can see we have already lost the support at this lower trend line, and since then the price is clearly heading it to the downside. So in the medium short term, if the price wants to show us a reversal, right, a reversal after consolidating around this area for a while, a move like this, then again, what must happen? We have to find support above 66,500. So that's why, guys, to invalidate this bearish continuation pattern known as ascending broadening wedge, to invalidate this bearish move towards this monthly S1 line and even this symmetrical triangle, we have to remain above the bottom CPI line. That's one of the most important line of resistance. So that's why, to avoid the price opportunity from this symmetrical triangle, to avoid the price opportunity from this ascending broadening wedge, we need the price at any cost to break that resistance. And in a bigger frame, right, in a bigger frame, we just want the price to remain above this key line of support. I mean, the line which previously acted as a resistance will be considered as support. So if the price here using this linear chart is going to show, or it's going to follow this pivotal point theory from Jesse Livermore, then we could be, right, getting attracted towards this horizontal trend line, which will be again around 61,000. So remaining above that range, even if the price is going to show another continuation here towards the 60,000 range, I've been very clear about this move. It could be just a temporary retracement, price coming back to this key line, consolidate for a few days before breaking it to the upside, because we have said price is also following this breakout formation, channel breakout or rising channel breakout formation. We have not just only started with this bullish move, but we are also showing exact formation just like as shown in this example. We are also witnessing this sideways movement which is programmed. I mean, price, if you look at this on the right hand side, after breaking out of this channel, more sideways movement before hitting it to the upside. And this chart, right, I have shared this I think few weeks ago. That's why, guys, that's why even if the price shows moves like this, right, but remains over 61,000, please do not panic. That could be just a formation of this parabolic curve pattern parallelly, which could be resulting in a move towards this sell point. I mean, another bullish move after few weeks, even months of sideways movement. And why that actually makes sense? Because in base 4, you can see more sideways movement is expected. That's on the plan. So that's why, guys, if we are going to remain over 60,000, then this sideways movement could be making a lot of sense. And once we test the support around the 61,000, price after that to start with this actual continuation following this Livermore pivotal point theory. So this is what I see looking at the price action of Bitcoin in a different time frame using different scenarios. If you enjoyed this kind of quick update, then please do not hesitate to destroy that like button. And to those individuals watching this for the first time, hit that subscribe button. And also a quick reminder to those individuals who have not claimed this free 200 USD position airdrop, then please check the video description, because Bybit right now is providing around free 200 USD position airdrop, either Bitcoin USD position, Ethereum USD position, or Solana USD position. All the links are in the description down below. Feel free to check it out. Feel free to grab this opportunity. And by saying this, I'm signing out until next time. Bye-bye.